Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Growing English words.
Budge. Budge is a verb. It means to move or shift. For example, we got stuck in traffic and it hasn't budged since. We got stuck in traffic and it hasn't budged since.
Jostle. Jostle is a verb. It means to push or shove. For example, the basketball player jostled his way through his opponents to shoot the ball. The basketball player jostled his way through his opponents to shoot the ball.
Cultivate. Cultivate is a verb. It means to grow or to help to grow. For example, farmers cultivate crops like corn, rice, and wheat. Farmers cultivate crops like corn, rice, and wheat.
Extract. Extract is a verb. It means to remove or take out, to obtain with an effort. For example, extract the books needed from the shelf. Extract the books needed from the shelf.
Purchase. Purchase is a verb. It means to buy. For example, the lady purchased her food from the grocery. The lady purchased her food from the grocery.
Burly. Burly is an adjective. It means big and strongly built. For example, the burly security guard stood outside the door. The burly security guard stood outside the door.
Compatible. Compatible is an adjective. It means getting along well together. For example, the people in the group are compatible with each other. The people in the group are compatible with each other.
Bland. Bland is an adjective. It means lacking a strong flavor. Not irritating, exciting, or disturbing. For example, the girl added sugar to her oatmeal that had a bland taste. The girl added sugar to her oatmeal that had a bland taste.
Equivalent. Equivalent is an adjective. It means equal to. For example, the baker added equivalent amounts of water and flour to make the dough. The baker added equivalent amounts of water and flour to make the dough.
Puny. Puny is an adjective. It means weak, lacking in size, strength or power. For example, the man used to be puny before he became a soldier. The man used to be puny before he became a soldier.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pen and paper.
Group the words that go together.
Puny.
Friend.
Small. King size.
Dwarfish. Puny. Small. Dwarfish. They all mean weak.
Grand. King size. They all mean big. Equivalent.
Dissimilar.
Identical.
Different.
The same.
equivalent, the same, identical. They all mean equal.
Dissimilar, different. They all mean not the same. Bland,
lacking,
harsh,
rough,
not interesting.
Bland, not interesting, lacking. They all mean mild.
Harsh, rough. They all mean hard. Budge,
remain strong,
yield,
move slightly,
resist,
Budge, move slightly, yield. They all mean give way.
resist, remain strong. They all mean prevent from doing something. Jostle,
pull,
collision,
come in contact,
repress,
Jostle, collision, come in contact. They all mean crash or squeeze.
pull, repress. They all mean to leave alone. Cultivate,
lose,
not care,
to prepare and damp, use,
grow and raise,
Cultivate, grow and raise something. To prepare and use. They all mean to foster growth.
lose, not care. They all mean to abandon. Extract,
add,
help,
to get,
remove by pulling,
Extract, remove by pulling. To get. They all mean to gather.
add, help. They all mean to edit or insert. Purchase,
ignore,
take,
give up,
gain,
Purchase, take, gain. They all mean to get hold of.
give up, ignore. They all mean to throw away. Burly,
frail,
skinny,
athletic,
stocky,
Athletic, burly, stocky. They all mean well built or sturdy.
skinny, frail. They all mean small or tight. Compatible,
fitting,
unfitting,
disagreeable,
suitable,
Compatible, suitable, fitting. They all mean getting along with or cooperative.
disagreeable, unfitting. They all mean not harmonious.
let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 2.
ready your pen and paper. Write a sentence on each word provided.
Number 1. Budge. Number 1. Joey has not budged in his bedroom for over an hour.
Number 2. Jostle. Number 2. We had to jostle our way to the front of the platform.
Number 3. Cultivate. Number 3. Jessica's parents help her to cultivate her passion for singing.
Number 4. Extract. Number 4. He squeezed the lemon to extract the juice.
Number 5. Purchase. Number 5. My mother purchased a gift for my brother's birthday.
Number 6. Burley. Number 6. My oldest brother is a burly man.
Number 7. Compatible. Number 7. Jay's cell phone charger is not compatible with my new cell phone.
Number 8. Bland. Number 8. The fancy soup was surprisingly bland.
Number 9. Equivalent. Number 9. A glass of milk is not equivalent to a cup of water.
Number 10. Puny. Number 10. The puppies are not puny anymore.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.